Guys, I'm excited today to be unboxing the Akaso Brave 7. The Akaso team, they were kind enough to send me their Brave 7 action camera for me to use for my next trip. They also included the accessories kit. I'm actually planning on a trip to Indonesia again. For the past 2 years, to be honest, I've been trying to do paragliding. I've been to 2 locations, and both locations that I went, unfortunately, I'm not able to paraglide due to weather conditions. Back then, you can see the video. Okay, one is Puncak Bogor, where I reached around 6 AM. The weather wasn't really good. There were no activities. The second one, I traveled to another island of Indonesia, which is Sumatra, and unfortunately it was raining. I didn't release this video because it didn't go according to plan. I'm really hoping it doesn't rain. My trip schedule is pretty limited since the first location that I went and I'm not able to paraglide, and then I decided to okay, let's go to another part of Indonesia, which is Pagar Alam, near Mount Dempo, which is Gunung Dempo, and then it rained. When I reached, it rained. So I cancelled everything. Paragliding was cancelled, but I hope this time I'm able to. But if I'm not able to, I will do an alternative. Let's hope that everything will go smoothly according to plan. So in front of me, I have the Akaso Brave 7. I'm very honored to review this action camera. I haven't really unboxed, so you can see it's still sealed. The spot is still sealed, and this is just an unboxing video. I'll be doing the hands-on maybe in future videos. So let's unbox this. Okay. Nice. That's the camera. Wow. Okay, let me see. All right. Okay, doesn't feel cheap. Right, if I'm guessing it correctly, the remote control. USB-C cable. Whoa, 1, 2 batteries. Charger. Skewed. Wow, this is just the main box. So many accessories. Wow. Look at that. Wow. This is just the main box, bro. You have the cleaner. And again, this is just the main box, bro. This is the parachuting kit. There you go. Alright. So I guess I will mount this on the helmet. Alright, okay, so yeah. And just like that, so many accessories. I don't want to peel this off actually. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside temporarily. 2024. So it's 4K 30 FPS. Take this one. I should set the stabilization, which I'm gonna do, when I start vlogging. I'm still new to the settings, you can see. So I'm gonna test. I didn't bring an SD card, unfortunately. So I think this is where you put your SD card. This is where you put the SD card, charge. So there you go. With just one box, you have so many accessories. There's so many that you can get with just the main box. You have so many accessories. Everything is all included. You have 2 batteries, which is very important. I'm not sure how the battery life is, but this is just an unboxing video, not a review video. So there will be 2 or 3 videos where I will feature the Akaso action camera. Shout out to Akaso for sending me this beauty, the Akaso Brave 7 dual action camera. Thank you. Stay tuned to my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.